Boom bam, you don't know, it's Sean Paul. And we on the set of the big bad tune called.
Not follow them.
And we not follow them, we drive ourselves.
People that don't know MEDIAFACTS, you know? Yeah, man. Don't know things. Bless up everybody, you see me? Yeah, man. Why, people? You know the guys, man, them a did Sean Paul, say, you know? Me I tell you, man, them rub out beenie, you know, man, them rub out Sean Paul to rotted. This no look good. You understand? Cause they might try prep up Kartel and say, yo, Kartel impact and Ray and this and that. Brother, so my time on for those easy, bro. Cause we not go and bring down Sean Paul thing. Man carry dancehall over the world, brother. Now we not try say, yo, Sean Paul not do dancehall and one bag of thing. Go check him on Wikipedia. Cause bro, Kartel for the road is like we don't want to take down the whole of giants them. For one man, cause one a Kartel sang them. Zine? No reach Sean Paul level yet. Sean Paul have one song with 1 billion streams. We're bigger than Kartel whole catalog. You understand? One song Sean Paul have. You see me? And him have more songs that got billions. So brother, so my time, you try to bring down the artists them. For prep up Kartel thing, brother. You understand? I don't know say your brother not try to set up on yourself, dog. You understand? Yeah, Kartel have him impact on everything. You see me? Sean Paul have impact too. You see me? A long time him do it. You see me? We know say yo, in the Jamaican space, we know him things stay, but worldwide, globally, the man thing no normal. We cannot bring down the man and a chat one bag of lion, one bag of thing. It don't make no sense. You understand? But people want to listen to that video and hear what them man, them shelly they are saying. Hear what them say, people.
Brother, you see me? I better undo say, cause Sean Paul never want to be no goat or nothing, brother. I never try to force this, you know, and him a pick it up, you know. And I'm tell you what can happen. Kartel can challenge him and him a go run. Cause that's only way you fight for something, you know. But that now Kartel now go do it.
People may tell you, see some of the time when them guys are man talking. Them dip on them panel and I chat one bag of thing just to make Kartel thing look big. Brother, Kartel thing can't bigger than Sean Paul thing, bro. You not going like, brother, let me tell you this. The world don't care about no impact and this and that, brother. You understand? Cause you know in the diaspora and I feel like say, yo, she impact there, say they all over. Brother, that's how the thing work, brother. You understand? Sean Paul did for years. More shows and every little thing.
Subscribe.
You see me? You can little up your man things, so brother.
Subscribe.
You know show respect to the artists them we are do it and I do it bigger too. You understand? Cause when Kartel they are prison, Sean Paul there in the world globally I do it, I carry genre to brother. You understand? One man can't carry no genre, bro. You see me? Sean Paul think they on a different level. I just show the man not to chit chat with people and them like a thing they are rare. But why I'm doing collab now and then with the Jamaican artists them and thing and do them thing. You see me? Him give Spice, him and Shaggy give Spice. One of them one our biggest song too. You understand? With go down there. So we don't make it thing look away, dog. We not talk about yo Sean Paul and sold out Costa Rica Stadium and one bag of thing, brother. Bro, first of all, Kartel show no keep. That cancel, so we not talk about sold out. When the man not even use the full stadium, we not talk about sold out. You can't use the full stadium over Costa Rica and I say the thing sold out. No sense, dog. Kartel come out and bring down the whole of the artists them, brother. You understand? Or you go bring down a man who have all of the accolades and have the impact out there globally. You see me? Not true we there Jamaican we not pick up certain things by radar, but it out there. You understand? Not true we in a little media space at Jamaica now where we have a little repost them and rare and thing. Not true Sean Paul not getting a repost no means say yo him not out there and him impact not out there. You understand? The man them some of them guys and my man them not appreciate the artists them want to bring down the artists them to push up Kartel up there, but that's how you go, brother. You see me, Kartel?
I tell you, how him a go prove say him a the goat? Why? Because you go out there, because you have the privilege to go out there far and Kartel about have it for 13 years and you go show. So listen to me, I say this from now. So when Kartel gold and platinum them start rolling over the years, I'm gonna come and him go collab with everybody and him do 2 songs with Whiskey and Burner and him chart this and chart this. So cause now we're gonna see him playing field, you know. Cause right now at this moment, Sean Paul go over Malta and it never sell out, you know. It takes 5 months to sell out.
Kartel sell out in a 1 day.
Kartel sell out now 48 hours for the 3 show them.
Yo, but yo,
do him thing in a game and rare, bro. You see me? Me not think Kartel go reach them on the level, brother. When it comes to accolades and certain things, bro. You see me? Cause if you check it right now, Kartel new music them, nothing go on for them, brother. Man do collab with Bacon and Busta Rhyme. No really, not going away. You understand? If you appreciate the artist, them and stop bringing down the artist, them, brother. You see me? Everybody knows the Kartel is a great artist and thing. But don't try belittle man thing, but through the man, can I realize, you know, people, through Sean Paul have the accolades and everything and globally than Kartel, you know. The man them, if you carry down the man, you know what them say? The man not do dancehall. I say, brother, what you mean? You don't understand this? What you mean by Sean Paul not do dancehall? Go out there and look on the stage and every little thing. Bro, I tell you this already, you're in a little small world, you know, bro. A small little world, you know, and a fool, you know. When you go out there in some place, Dubai and some certain place and Russians are different ball game, brother. Germany and some of them places, brother, are different ball game. You see me? So you feel like such in a little Jamaica and a little repost and you see this a art international artist, I highlight this a money and rave, you don't feel like say, yo. Yeah, them there are links and respect and show respect, but musically is a different ball game. You understand? Because when you check the facts, it numbers them not add up. You see what I'm trying? Numbers them not add up, bro. You see me? Sean Paul have goals, pan top of goals, platinum, everything, album, everything, brother.
Subscribe.
Kartel have one goal and thing. You understand? Yeah, him do him thing. But it that not change rice and bread, brother. You understand? That not really change anything right now. You see me? The artists them do them thing. You have to appreciate the man them. You see me? You cannot bring down Kartel come out, the man them bring down Beenie Man till Beenie Man get silent. You see what I'm trying to say? Till Beenie Man get silent. Now left to Sean Paul, now man them bring down Sean Paul, so Sean Paul not do dancehall. Like, we don't know how the man them come to say that. Just if you make Kartel thing look good, if you say yo a Kartel do it dancehall alone, way. Like say Kartel not do features and Kartel have a song when he sing like in a Spanish and all of them look something there. I must say British love. Him and venture have enough other things, brother. You understand? Stop bringing down the artists them for prep up Kartel, brother. You understand? Kartel in a prison, bro. The artists them with their road I push the genre, brother. You see me? Cause uno mind small minded, you know. And that with uno, you know. You see it? That with uno. Cause just watch social media thing and I know say you wanna everything social media catch. You understand? Some different thing that they see them way. You see it? But them money, brother. I tell the people.
How much artists, yo? How much artists have billion streams and never sell out at stadium yet? That even weird.
And that weird for true.
You see me?
Never saw the arena.
That weird, bro. Because you have billion streams, much numbers on Spotify, and it don't equate to your pulling power.
Him not no pulling power, bro.
Yeah, that say it weird because all of the billion streams.
The way man them talk, one bag of life, one bag of thing man them prep up. When I tell you, say man do one show with 70,000 people in Atlanta. And when you check his stadium capacity at 16,000 something to 20,000. I mean say, yo, Jano. The man them say, yo, stadium man, sell out the stadium in Costa Rica. When you look, the man them use quarter at the stadium. The same stadium, I think the stadium hold about 35,000 people. See? And a piece of the man them are using. You see me? If you look at the stadium, brother, you have to stop the life make Kartel thing look good. Because I don't know how long you go do this, brother. You understand? Kartel a good artist, bro. You don't need a fear go around and tell one bag of life to prep up a man, bro. You understand? The man do what he doing a Barclays. It's a good look for him. You see me? We don't know say yo, him go prison and forward back and way. Kartel never do them something, never sold out no shows or nothing back then, brother. You understand? So him get the opportunity now and him a do it now. You see me? People have not seen him for how long. You see it?
Subscribe now.
Give him till a year, yeah. Him have him shows and everything. Next year now is a different ball game. You see me? Ticket price have got change. Certain little things they go see because them see now. It's a different thing. Him demand that decrease right now. You understand? Yeah, people. So we now try to bring down the artists them for prep up the man. And I know say yo, we not left on yourself to get Radam. You understand? We not left on yourself to get Radam, brother. You see it? Cause I don't know when since we not talk about yo, Sean Paul never sold out the Barclays, this, that. I never know say Barclays was the standard for dancehall. I never know say sold no Barclays give Grammy or anything. I never know that. A man sold out a venue. Yo, this big, yes, I go look for dancehall, but you can't use a venue for say standard. And you know say a Kartel alone that do that. Because you know say Kartel have the endorsement and every little thing for showing thing plus him no go US for 20 years and him their prison him and everything, him getting pushing press run every little thing. Sell off him thing. You understand? So we now make it look like say yo, him did that do it back then and then come do it again. No. A little prison demand and every little thing cause all of that. You understand? So you can't look at artists and Paul out there do it thousands of people. You understand? 50,000, 40,000. It's just because we know the media stay, they don't highlight certain things, they don't highlight things that are good for the genre. Sometimes they highlight some unnecessary things, some slackness. They don't show certain things with certain artists out there, because through them artists there, separate themselves from certain things because we know that the industry corrupt. You understand? So I just do the things that people.
You not to equate to your pulling power.
I
No,
label
you
make
make
it.
him pull it
I
off
label
the
make him
Sudan.
get all of them, bro.
So that alone, you're not if you know good conversation. I just some man now read Vybz Kartel and I say, alright, me I go just use the numbers, Sean Paul numbers, because probably being man numbers that too close to Vybz Kartel, so I go run go to Sean Paul. And that's all. That's why Sean Paul name even a call right now. But I know so it go like
You see me? So my time when the money I talk, brother, I just hate to me like, bro. It's like the money I just bad mind, bro. Cause we me and man them talk about Sean Paul thing, brother. Sean Paul not do these man nothing. I just true. You know Sean Paul make him post on every little thing and so you might do it long time and everything, brother. You understand? So true them know say Sean, cause so it going on. When they know say a man athletes bigger than urine and them done a prepare up already and way, them try to belittle the man thing, say him not do dancehall. Just because this a man I do a little thing and him look at demand and everything I go on, you know. Them want to say, yo, him not do dancehall, so him not night. This a man a big thing. When Sean Paul out there do dancehall for years, I collab with different artists and them look at something there. You understand? We cannot do the artists them things, so I joke thing that. You see me? But we know how them money stay, people. You see me? We know how them money stay already. You see it? Just one bag of nonsense. Some of them guys, man, them not no sense in their feelings, them talk off, you know. Them not talk nothing with facts. You understand? As one little post. Cause remember, you know, 99% of them things we post by the social media, you know, them not correct, you know. Them just do it for a PR stunt or, you know, for people buy ticket or for people do this or for make an artist look good when you check it and check the facts, it's not really nothing. You understand? So, you can go and bring down Sean Paul and everything because you feel like you can bring down your man legacy. The world don't know Sean Paul already and still are getting bookings and everything. You understand? You can't erase with the man though. So you feel like you can use Kartel prepping up and everything for bring down the man thing. Now go work, brother.
Subscribe.
You understand?
Now.
The man a do it for the culture. From way back when.
Subscribe.
You know want forward
now.
now because you don't have the athletes like the man and globally and them look something. You don't have the athletes and thing. Now you know want belittling man thing. Just through the man now. Maybe through the man not to bow to Kartel thing or bow to the industry. The man are doing thing outside. And the man just keep himself to himself. Cause I saw it going on when them can't control, you know. Them try to demolish your thing, you know. You understand? Every artist I do what them have to do. You see me, you cannot bring down the people them who have the accolades more than Kartel and have the more global impact than Kartel. You understand? Kartel a good artist. Him do him thing. Right now, him just a finish off where him never finish. You understand? And I do him little thing. In music them right now kind of drop quality and certain little things. You understand? As a man at film age, you know, music them where I drop right now, it not really hit the people them. You see me? People mostly talk about when repost on them page and them look something right now. But musically, it not really did it. You understand? Him have a couple shows forward, you don't know. Way, and my doing thing and way, and you don't know. But after that, it all boil down to music. You understand? At this rate, I go.
some man think say oh, it black and white. From him have the most numbers, I am at the goat.
But they can't
And some
reason
kind
them
of
way.
talk reason the man have an high time still in a bro.
Them can't reason them way into turning that into a reality. Them could have chat to them blood clot blow. It not gonna happen.
Brother, the man carry some vendetta for Kartel.
So they can't go
brother.
chat
Tell her,
all
brother.
them parts and invent because I mean she must take a invent sitting to try and make up him.
You see it? But you can't use him alone and do put it as dancehall standard. That's how you think, brother. You understand? Because him alone go prison for 13 years. And him are the first too. You see me? So, as an entertainer, so, you have to appreciate the artists them out there more. You understand? When I do the thing. You can't see a man up at the top of the ladder for ring the bell and want to drag down this man where for touch the bell for make the thing look good or you see what I mean? And then I go pull down the man way closer to the bell. You see me? For finalize the genre. See where hit the bell and then this a man where they way down at the ladder now. You know want pull down that the man then I remember say years and thing it take you know for the man reach up there for the genre right now. You know want pull down that the man then now for push up this a man where bro the man a 40 soon reach 50. Where am I gonna do for dancehall right now? You know, I use social media repost
Subscribe
and them
now.
little thing there and stage performance and way. Bro, that now do not with the genre.
No.
Music, push the genre, bro. And no buy no house and a car and one bag of thing, brother. You understand? Cause that now use mash up the thing too. And music we did back in the 90s and music we did with. Nobody now talk about no house and who buy a house and who yes and way. That now they were no business about that. You understand? The man them will reach out to the artists, them will reach out they have the house and you know nobody talk about yo, true this man have 10 house and music we are deal with. You understand? Push the genre. You understand? If you don't uplift every artist, it would have been more better. But because you don't want to prep up one man and them look something for bring down all of the man them, where this a man is not really globally yet. You understand? But we know things set still, but people don't know when a media facts, you know. Yeah man. That is it. Like, share, subscribe.